Oh my God, they're responding. 12 minutes and we get a response. No way. It's been a pleasure to assist you. You didn't. She ended it. I told you she ended it. Yo, LG customer support. You're trash. Yeah, so we're here. We're going to be seeing what LG customer support is like when a monitor dies after 7,300 hours of use. Now, for a little information, LG monitors are supposed to last between 30,000 to 60,000 hours of use. And if my math is correct, I believe 7,300 is less than 30,000. I could be wrong, though. I'm not too intelligent, so we're just going to have to see, what options they provide for us, like for assistance. We've purchased two of the exact same monitor. The 27GN 800-B, which is a 27-inch monitor, 144 hertz. I don't think they're gonna respond. We've already gone through the whole conversation. So the first thing that happened was we were connected, and we said what our problem was. Hey, we bought two monitors. One broke after 7,300 hours of use. Can you help us? And he said, oh, sure. Hold on. He disconnected the chat. All right, we'll start another chat up. Start the other one. All right, there's a live agent. They'll contact you soon. Hi, this is Matt. Thanks for reaching LG. How can I help you? Tell him the story. I have two monitors after 2 years of use. One died. Hoping you'll replace it. Last agent I talked to said wait while they contact me, and ended the conversation. Should I expect the same thing? He said, you were misrouted. We apologize for that. Since I'm a specialist for LG Smart TV, kindly stay connected while I transfer you to the proper specialist agent that can assist you on your concern. Please stay connected. Then I'd laugh, obviously, because, that's funny. They transfer us. They actually transfer us, though. So now we're speaking to Luisa Zaira Garcia. Good day. Welcome to LG USA Chat. This is Luisa from LG Home Electronics Chat Support. Thanks for reaching out. How may I help you? I copy and pasted it because obviously I'm not going to write all of it again 50 times as we go through 20 employees. She said, hello, I do understand your concern. I'm happy to assist you with it. Okay, thank you. So when can I receive a new monitor? Before we proceed, may I have the model number as well as the serial number? And then I get all these things for her. Okay. For me to know what step to provide, may I know the issue you're having with the monitor? I said it doesn't work. I think it's defective because I bought two of the same monitor. One of them works perfectly fine, and this one stopped working. When you said that it stops working, is there a status light underneath the monitor to check if it's getting power? Yes, the status light is on. Yes, because it's getting power. What is showing on the monitor screen? Nothing. And again, I typed it has 7,300 hours of use, based off of the last time I was able to check it. What device is currently connected to the monitor? A PC. What type of connection? DisplayPort. Have you tried using other DisplayPort cable and connecting the C and monitor? I'd assume she means computer. Yes. Hasn't worked. This is why I'm contacting LG. How about other types of connections like HDMI? I've tried all troubleshooting options, such as powering the device off and then on, rebooting using different cables, plugging it into a different computer, using an HDMI, plugging it into a different electrical outlet as well. Nothing has worked. The monitor is broken. Just the other one works perfectly fine still. They have the exact same time usage. They were both purchased and installed on the same computer on the same day. One is faulty, one is defective. Alright then, let us refresh the system of the monitor by performing a hard reset. Okay, it didn't work, because we reset it. To do the hard reset, well, thank God she provided the options. Turn off the monitor. Unplug the monitor from the wall outlet. While the monitor is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the monitor itself for 30 seconds. After that, plug the monitor back in and turn it on again. Yeah, I already did that multiple times over the past week, daily, 7 times, including today. Next step for the defective, faulty monitor. All right, can I get a picture of the entire monitor screen? Sure, here. Sent them a picture of all 4 of my monitors. The top left one is the LG one that still works. The top right one is, here, I'll even grab the picture. I'll even blow it up for you guys. I got you. So this is the picture. As you can see, this is the working monitor from the LG. This is the non-functioning monitor. Unlucky. Notice how the other 3 monitors are on, but this one isn't. Is there a reason why one of them would stop working other than it being defective or faulty? It is still depends on the usage of the monitor. And then again, we're going to clarify. So the one monitor functions, one doesn't, with the same usage. Interesting. So it's basically random if these product works. Is that what you're saying? And there's no way to fix it. Two of the exact same model of monitor, purchased on the exact same day, installed on the same day, used the same amount, hooked up to the same computer, doing the exact same functions, hooked up using the same brand cord. You've mentioned you purchased the units 2 years ago, right? Well, now we're about an hour into the conversation, or 45 minutes into the conversation. Sure, let me give you the exact date, July 9th, 2022. 7,361 hours of usage on both monitors. Oh my God, they're responding? 12 minutes and we get a response. No way. It's been a pleasure to assist you. You didn't... She ended it! I told you she ended it! Yo! LG customer support. You're trash.